Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Dish Easy Access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in the URL for Dish. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Dish homepage. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to a new page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first text box. Next, input your password in the designated password field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me option. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Sign In button. You will be redirected to your Dish account dashboard. If you encounter any issues logging in, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on Forgot Password to initiate a password recovery process. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password if necessary. After successfully logging in, explore the features available in your account. Enjoy easy access to all your Dish services and content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.